rain, you guys. That big old black cloud up there. Ain't nothing but a little rain cloud. Just enough to cool us off. Shoot.
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go. Ride with me. It's lappydog. Alright, you guys, check me out. But let me know what you like about this video or not like.
We'll be out of it in just a few minutes. We on I-95 about mile marker 188, southbound. We are headed to Key West for Fantasy Fest. I'm not even sure what the head count is of bikes. We got another one that's behind us about 20 miles, and we got one that's already down here. So we got a real nice cruise. And go down here and have a little bikercation. Boots and jeans will call it a bikercation. All right, stay tuned for some fun, y'all. Come on, ride with me. Teaspoon gonna go ahead and put us down, y'all. That new trailer looking real nice. We gonna stop here and get us a little of that good old gasoline, the 156. Whatever it is, it's already had rained here. We got over there. Look like all the gas stations this way. Well, hit the Mickey D's. Maybe they want some racetrack. Yeah, that racetrack look a little bit more friendly, more up to date. What do you think? Damn. Here's what we do when we get stuck. We got we have a incident or the trailer breakdown. Here's what we do when we waiting on help to come. Bring it down, boy. Good God, that boy can dance. That boy got some moves. Triple D ain't got nothing on that boy. Hope you got some challenges. Triple D ain't got nothing on it. Triple D ain't got nothing on it.
Man, I done thought I was like,
I tell you what, I know Triple D.
you don't think nothing side coming out?
Oh, there you go, Hope. There you go.
I was like,
I gotta get drunk. Yeah, Hope get some drinks to them, boy. I get drunk,
I
recording.
Don't ask me now.
That's a prequel to the dance contest.
Had an axle broke on the trailer. We work on getting it fixed.
It's called a breakdown part. It's breakdown part.
Break it down. But you can't scrub the ground. How low can you go? How low can you go? Can you break it down low? Can you get down low?
I almost couldn't get up.
It was a twerk. Look, he hold low.
He said he can get down low, just can't get up fast.
Yeah, I can't get up. Get down there.
This is what happens when you gotta. This is what you do when you're traveling and you have to adjust. This is adjustment at its finest. Huh? Hey, you been doing it. Alright, they said that's a nice looking trailer. It matches his bike. I wonder why he got that black thing. This is adjustments at its finest. We ain't with about 19 miles.
Why don't you bring that over for a second?
Bring what? Okay.
So we give him a look.
Let's get
taste of what happened here. So the whole axle broke. That's why we have this trailer.
So if you have an older what is that? Escapade trailer. Make sure you check those wheels on the axles.
Yeah, make sure you check your wheels.
Cause it broke. You can see it down there. That broke, snapped in half. Right at the wheels.
I'm gonna do a little something later on those Goldwing.
Okay. All right, we just had a little bit of a fiasco on the smooth side of town. Go ahead. A 95 South, and I'm gonna come around. I just want to check it out. He had a axle broke on his Escapade trailer, and nobody to weld it. But this is definitely one of the solutions we come up with. He had to end up buying a for real utility trailer. It'll take him a while to get comfortable with that. It looks extra sketchy, but right. Yeah, so we're going to continue on to Key West. Maybe we can get this axle welded on down in Key West somewhere, but when life give you lemons, boy, you make it good lemonade. Let's see how this thing pulls. Of course, he has no tail lights, of course. And we just trying to make sure he's good to go. Now that right there could happen to any of us. And that right there is gonna make me doggone take my trailer and get it inspected. I grease it all the time, but a weld is a weld. You know, you just don't know what you're gonna get into with a weld. This is what you gotta do sometimes to adjust to situations. And now it wants to rain on us, y'all. Yeah! Great. It looks great. Get him on down here, y'all.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this.